I call this part of the layout the long goodbye. What it is actually another helix connecting the lower level with the upper level. And over there I've started construction of what will become the entry point to the main station. So please stay tuned. First, follow me back in time. You remember when I did this helix connecting the staging area with what will become the visible part of the layout? Well, it's the same here, except that this is more of a ramp. It's an elongated helix that'll connect the staging area with what will become the main station area of the layout. Once again, the tracks I'm using are from German manufacturer Epoke. It's code 100 track, and I really find these easy to work with. Time to test the layout, and for this we will use the scientific method in the form of this Epoke measure car, and as traction we're going to use this lovely ML car from the 1920s, petrol driven, gasoline if you're American, and it's such a contrast to this high-tech measure car. Let's see. And back to where it all began. Good, everything seems to be okay. Time for the next chapter. I'm sure you have noticed that we have not two but three tracks in the beginning of the helix, and that's because the innermost is actually a shunting track. The idea is that the shunters will take cars out this way while doing their job on the main station, and there'll be a similar shunting track at the other end of the main station. So what I'm going to do now is to start connecting the tracks here, the shunting track and the mainline tracks, and figure out how this entry point to the main station will be laid out. Okay, so the world just got a little more complicated. The track used to be a loop, basically, but when we install all these points, switches, turnouts, take your pick, things get more complicated. And we need to secure the loop using one of these gizmos, and we need to isolate the loop. I've got the two loop modules connected. One is connected to this piece of track, and the other one is connected to a piece of track down here at the staging area, and both are connected to the mainline track. I've got two trains lined up for you. One is a goods train, and another one is this local commuter train. Let's see if we can get them to run smoothly. That's it for now. I hope you liked what you saw. Please hit the subscribe button, hit like, hit the bell, help the channel grow. So as usual, I will leave you with some footage of trains running around the new layout, testing all the point work here. Thank you for now, and hope to see you next time.